Hi guys, Ed Mason here. Another edition of Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to take a look at adding a STIP to the deal, whether it's before or after the customer has taken the vehicle, and also what the process looks like when a STIP comes in, and then being able to approve or deny that STIP in real time. So we'll go ahead and jump right in. What we're going to do is we're just going to scroll down to the actual deal we want the STIPs for. In this situation, we're just going to pretend the bank had called and wanted a different source of income, proof of income I should say. So let's say the bank called and wanted a W-2. So what's going to happen is you're just going to click into the deal, you're going to click into buyer STIPs, and you're going to see this button right here, edit STIP list. What you're going to do is you're just going to click add a STIP, scroll down until you see the document you want. In this situation we want the W-2. We're going to add it to the deal and we're going to save it. Now, as soon as I click save, guys, your buyer's going to get an instant push notification sent to the phone that the bank is now requesting a W-2. So while we were doing this, the buyer had actually submitted a proof of income STIP, so we'll go ahead and see how you approve and deny that. So this little box here, 2, shows that there are 2 STIPs in the system that need to be approved. You just simply click on that, and you scroll down to the STIP that needs to be approved. So here's our proof of residence. We can go ahead and click on the picture and get a full size. We can actually zoom in, we can zoom out so you can see the full document, or you can go to full screen. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to scroll down here and we can approve or reject it. So if we approve it, it's going to send the buyer another push notification stating it was approved. If we reject it, it's going to send a notification to the buyer and give them the reason why it was rejected. So in this situation, we'll just go ahead and hit approve. And then once it's approved, the buyer just received another push notification. And then from here, you can actually print, fax, or email all the STIPs directly to the bank. So this is another tips and tricks video. Hope you guys have a great day.